In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Safari on iPhone. Now, you might wonder why this is important. Well, locking Safari can help you manage screen time or prevent unauthorized access. While there's no direct option to lock Safari with Face ID, we can use screen time to achieve a similar result. Let's dive in and explore the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the option labeled Screen Time. Tap on it to access the screen time settings. If it's not already turned on, you will need to enable it by tapping Turn on App and Website Activity. This feature is crucial as it allows you to monitor and control app usage. Once it's activated, we can proceed to the next step. Next, we need to set a screen time passcode. Under the screen time menu, tap on Lock Screen Time Settings or Use Screen Time Passcode. You'll be prompted to create a passcode. Make sure to choose a passcode that others don't know. This step is vital because it keeps your screen time settings secure. Without this passcode, anyone could easily change the restrictions you set. After setting up your passcode, it's time to disable Safari. In the screen time menu, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Then tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Here you will find an option to toggle Safari on or off. Turn Safari off. You might notice Safari disappears from both the home screen and the app library. This is intentional and ensures that anyone trying to access Safari must first re-enable it using the passcode you set earlier. If you need to unlock Safari later, simply go back to Settings, tap on Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. From there, access Allowed Apps and Features and turn Safari back on. You will be prompted to enter your screen time passcode. This process gives you control over when Safari is accessible, adding an extra layer of security. Now, if disabling Safari entirely isn't what you're looking for, there's an alternative. You can limit Safari usage instead of hiding it completely. To do this, go back to Screen Time and select App Limits. Here you can set a daily time limit for how long Safari can be used. Once the limit is reached, continuing to use Safari will require entering the screen time passcode. This method keeps Safari visible but restricts usage, which might be more practical for some users. Using these tools effectively allows you to tailor your iPhone's access in a way that suits your needs. Whether you want to hide Safari completely or just limit its use, Screen Time provides flexible options. Remember, the key is to choose a passcode that only you know. This ensures your settings remain secure and gives you peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust your settings. With a little practice, managing app access on your iPhone can become second nature. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities your iPhone offers.